Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily manage auto power off time on your CHiQ L32. So first what you guys need to do is go over to the settings. Now here scroll down until you guys see system, and now go to, let me show you, power and energy. Go to timer, and here make sure that auto power off type is either enabled or it's enabled only once, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to change those settings. So now let's say I wanted to power it off by 11:40 p.m. Now I'll just click OK and those settings will apply, as you guys can see. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.